Well, a very bright and a very early good morning to all my dear students of DRS International School. And today I've got an early morning cardio based fat busting workout for all of you. Just keep the march, knees moving up, knees moving as high as possible, working those abs, keeping the core tight, keeping it engaged, keeping the core engaged, and just lift those knees as high as you can. Basic warm up march. Going into your elephant march. Knees still moving high, knees apart, feet apart. Still working your core, working those abs. Back to the march. And 4, 3, 2, 1, step touch. Just a basic side to side with the arms. Change the arms. Change the arms again. Give me 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Two-step. Just a basic two-step with the arms. Change the arms. With the arms again going up. Give me 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Leg curls. Just curling your leg, one leg at a time, shifting your weight from side to side, bending one knee at a time, and kicking yourself, kicking your hips, one heel at a time. So kick your hips behind you with one heel at a time. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, high knees. Lift your knees up. High knees. High knees without the arms. Just check your legs first. Check your knees. Are they moving high? So lift them high. Using the strength from your abdominals, your core. 4, 3, 2, use your arms. more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. March. So my dear students of DRS International School, all that I would like to say just before wrapping up today's video is that it's really important for each and every one of you to take out that time for physical exercise and a little bit of meditation every day. Because when you club physical exercise and meditation together, it just allows you, it empowers you, it enables you to enjoy the best of your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual health and well-being, especially during these tough, uncertain COVID-19 times that all of us are living in. Nobody knows what's exactly round the corner or what's going to happen tomorrow or what new rules and policies are going to be introduced by the government tomorrow. So I know that some of you are dealing with anxiety on a day-to-day basis. Some of you are going through stressful days and nights, and some of you are battling other kinds of mental health issues which need to be talked about, issues that need to be sorted out with conversations, and issues which I believe can be really addressed and tackled and challenged with physical exercise and a little bit of mindfulness, a little bit of meditation every day. So if you ask me, I would suggest at least 20 minutes of any kind of a physical workout that you might love. It could be dance, it could be Zumba, it could be high intensity interval training, it could be aerobics, it could be power yoga, vinyasa yoga, Iyengar yoga. I've got many workout videos coming out for all of you, different kinds of workouts, different forms of exercise. You can try out each one of them or any one, whichever you find more interesting for yourself, whichever catches your fancy. So 20 minutes of physical exercise and at least 5 to 10 minutes of mindfulness based meditation every day. Now when it comes to exercise, you can't just always keep thinking about, oh, this is more interesting for me and I like this and this one seems to be more attractive and interesting. Every once in a while, it's a good idea to mix and match and amp up the interest levels of your workouts. But you can't just bank on the interest factor of the workouts every day. Because in this world, there are just so many workouts that you can literally try. So you have got to build that daily habit. You have got to build that daily routine of exercise which encompasses different forms of fitness to tackle different parts of the body, different areas of fitness in the body. So you need to work on your cardiovascular fitness, your cardiorespiratory endurance, muscular endurance. You've got to work on your strength, flexibility. You've also got to keep a check on the fat percentage in your body. So there are different aspects of fitness in your body. You need to tackle all. You need to address all. And for that to happen, you need to incorporate different forms of exercise into your daily workout regime. So you just can't keep thinking about, I don't feel like exercising today because this exercise is not interesting enough. Always remember, any form of workout, any form of exercise becomes interesting when you feel charged and motivated enough to take control of your health. And always remember, the interest in any particular form of exercise is not just built on the basis of the fancy arm movements and the fancy leg movements and the way the sports people or the athletes are moving their bodies in nice, fanciful, artistic mannerisms. It is not just about that. Interest in any form of exercise is first and foremost built by your very own desire, by your hunger to achieve fitness, by your thirst for health and fitness. So when you feel driven, when you feel motivated, when you feel charged enough, trust me, each and every form of exercise, because there are so many in the world out there, each and every form of exercise will start looking intriguing and interesting to you. You will start to find different forms of exercises so interesting. You will find each and every one of them interesting in its own way. Every form of exercise will suddenly seem to be so interesting to you in its own particular unique way, provided that you yourself are driven to achieve that level of health and fitness for your body, mind, for your mental state, emotional state, and your spiritual state. So once you are driven, once you are motivated enough, once you feel inspired enough, every form of exercise, every form of fitness which is out there for you to explore will become intriguing and interesting for you. And sometimes I do feel that many people get bored of exercising every day and they don't feel driven enough to exercise every day because they're just constantly repeating those boring exercise movements blindly day after day, each day. So when you keep repeating the same old exercise routine every day, it is bound to become mundane, it is bound to become boring for you. So always try to amp it up, always try to mix and match different forms of exercise. For example, I like to start my workout regime with a nice 20-minute cardio sweat session. I then move on to my weight training, free weight training, body weight training, followed by relaxing yoga. Sometimes I like to amp up the interest factor of my workouts by introducing some dance movements in the form of dance aerobics or Zumba. So that's how I like to keep up the interest factor of my daily workouts, because I want to make sure that I'm not getting bored, that I'm not getting demotivated with each passing day when it comes to my exercise. I want to be able to hit my exercise studio. I want to be able to hit that corner of my house which I have dedicated to exercise every day with energy, with fervor, with zest, with interest, with that motivated zeal. I don't want to look at my daily exercise regime as something which I've got to tackle and just do every day just for the heck of doing it. Because the day you start feeling that you've got to exercise just for the heck of doing it, it's going to be damn boring and you are going to be highly demotivated. And then the exercises that you are attempting or the exercises that you are trying to do are not going to produce those beneficial effects for your body and for your mind. So you want to make sure that each and every day, whenever, whatever time you have allocated to exercise every day, whenever you are hitting that exercise studio, whenever you are hitting that exercise room of yours, you want to be motivated, inspired, you want to be full of zeal and zest, and you want to attack your exercises head on. You want to deal with your exercises head on. You want to catch your exercises by their horns. Just like we say, catch the bull by its horns. So you've got to tackle and attack and challenge your exercises with energy, with zeal, and by their horns every day. So feel motivated, feel inspired every day. And how can you do that? Just don't repeat the same old, boring, mundane exercise movements. Believe me, none of your exercise movements are old or boring or mundane, but they start to appear as old and boring and mundane when you just go on repeating the same exercises day after day for weeks, for fortnights, for months. So make sure that you are not doing that. You want to make sure that you are mixing and matching different kinds of exercises to keep up that interest factor in all your workouts, to amp up the interest quotient, to amp up the intrigue quotient, to amp up the enjoyability quotient of your workouts every day. So my last piece of advice to all my students of DRS International School before I wrap up this video, make sure that you are always amping up the enjoyment factor. Make sure that you are always keeping the enjoyment factor of your daily workouts high. Make sure that you are always keeping the enjoyment factor of your daily exercise high and up, over there, right up there, close to the sky. So you want to mix and match different forms of exercises and workouts to make sure that the enjoyment factor of your daily workouts always stays high and you never ever miss a workout. Stay at home, stay safe, be good. God bless you all, and of course, I love you all.